Click the plus symbol to start creating a new image. Add the starting image using a simple drag and drop, or by opening the folder with the Open command. Assign a name to the image. Select a proposal mode. In this case, choose Standard for interiors, exteriors, and sketches. View all the styles suggested by the application and select the one that interests you most. Set the type of lighting to be used. Provide additional suggestions to better meet your expectations. See a comparison between the starting image and the newly created one. You can view the final result in full screen or compare it with the original image. Finally, the generated image can be customized, enhanced, renamed, downloaded, or deleted.